The symbol indicator lights offer a wide selection of over 100 symbols to choose from. They can also be assembled as unmarked indicator lights. First, open the packaging and remove the components of the symbol indicator lights. Please refer to the instruction manual for the name of each symbol. The first assembly method does not require symbols. Simply assemble the color transparent cover with the LED indicator light to use. This creates a classic-looking indicator light. The second assembly method involves symbol indicator lights. You need to select a symbol from the symbol card and combine it with the transparent cover. Finally, assemble it with the LED indicator light to make it functional. You have the freedom to choose between the two different assembly methods, and both provide excellent illumination and effective waterproofing.